Hi friends, welcome back to another vlog of my life in Kosovo. This was actually the very last trip I took in January before we moved away. Although it's been a few months, this is such a special place, I didn't want to pass on sharing it. In this vlog, I am taking you with me to Northern Albania, to the agro-tourism hotel Mrizi I Zanave in the countryside town of Fishta. This place isn't just a hotel and a restaurant. It's a full-on sustainable farm-to-table experience that totally blew me away. Let's start with the hotel. Each room is designed with a rustic charm, reflecting local traditions but still offering all the modern comforts. We stayed there just one night and slept super well. We woke up to the sound of the farm's geese and the nearby cows. The hotel itself is small and intimate, with only 9 rooms, making it perfect for a quiet, off-the-beaten-path getaway. Most of the produce is grown on site, yet additional ingredients are also sourced from 400 nearby families. Being an agricultural region, this also helps to create a lot of jobs. The farm raises a variety of animals, including goats, ducks, and geese. The goats are especially important for milk production. In addition, the farm has tons of geese, which are allowed to roam freely to an artificial lake. The geese also contribute to the farm's sustainability by consuming leftover pulp from the farm's juice making. This ensures that nothing goes to waste. Overall, the animals at Mirzi I Zanave are more than just a source of food. They are part of a broader commitment to sustainability and tradition. The food processing quarters is particularly impressive. They've transformed an old prison into a workspace where they make everything from the cheese to the wine to the cured meats. I got to see these incredible spaces firsthand. First off, wine. All the way from growing the grapes to bottling each bottle, it is all done in this space. However, my favorite part of this compound was the cheese quarters. The cheeses are made from raw milk sourced directly from their own goats. This use of raw milk, unpasteurized and full of natural bacteria, is what gives their cheese that authentic taste and nutritional value. They also use time-honored methods that are passed down through generations. And one unique aspect of their process is aging cheese in grape pomace, which is the pulpy residue left after winemaking. Although this looks like a scene from the movie Saw, it's actually where they cure and smoke the meats that are served at the restaurant. Finally, they also make their own jams and they even distill their own rakia. Alright, finally it's time to eat. The dining experience is really delicious, especially after having spent the entire day learning about how everything is made. The restaurant focuses on traditional Albanian dishes with a modern twist. Think homemade pasta, freshly baked bread, and an assortment of very unique cheeses. Their seasonal menu features local specialties like burek, smoked meats, and lamb cooked in yogurt. Everything was incredibly fresh, flavorful, and beautifully presented. But the most interesting dish of the night was this pasta made with blueberries. Blueberry pasta was a first time for me. If you're ever in the northern part of Albania, make sure you visit this incredible place. It's not just a meal, it's a lesson in sustainability, tradition, and the beauty of simple, locally sourced food. Once again, thanks so much for watching.